Happy February.
We made it to another new month.
Yes.
Love month.
Love month.
We're so happy to have you guys
It is
with
an
us.
opportunity to just pour it on. Thick,
It's that time.
thick.
Yes.
Yes.
Get those hearts to flowing. Get those hearts to beating. Yeah, show your sweetie a little extra sweetness.
That's right. That's right. We are so excited to be before you guys for the month of February. You know, we express love and all of our heartfelt sympathies and sincereness throughout the year with our loved ones. But
Be it happy, be it sad.
Yep, and this is
our hearts are always going out to you.
Yep, and this is an opportunity now for us to just come together and really just pour it on a little extra and a little thick. You know, a lot of people say, well, I don't need a special month to, you know, express my love for my loved one, and you don't. Really, you don't.
You should be doing it every day that you can do it.
It has been recognized for the month of February.
It's on your calendars.
Yep.
So let's work.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's make it extra special since we already doing it.
Right.
Take it to another notch. Add a little special extra in there on top of what you
Put
already
your love
do.
on it. Put your love on
Yeah.
it. How you do it? How you do it?
Do it. Do it.
Just do it.
That's it. Yep. So we're excited to be before you. We just want to tell you, you know what? Spend some quality time as always.
Get that time in.
Make time. Take time to make time.
And also remember, it's also Black History Month. Get
It
some
is.
time to know about who you are.
That's
where you
right.
come from.
And if you're not of African American descent, take an opportunity to get to know about some of our African American history that we've experienced here in the United States and abroad.
Even here in Atlanta.
In Atlanta, oh
Great,
my gosh,
rich
it's a
history.
plethora
Yeah.
of places to go to embrace history. And where our hometown, where we're from, Savannah, Georgia,
yes.
it's a major plethora there as well. So, you know, just enjoy and embrace this time to explore African American history as well.
Yes.
But we want everybody
It's
just
just
to
not designated to them, but hey, while they are putting it out there, we're gonna put it out there, and just encourage you to start it and keep it flowing.
keep it flowing, let it go, let it roll.
Hey, show me.
Kiss me. All of that. His heart's done ran away.
My heart
It's all out of control.
is gone for you. Yeah.
Yeah, but you know what? I just want to just remind you guys to live,
Love,
laugh,
learn.
and last. Hey, you can catch us on Facebook at Charles and Sherry Gordon. That's our personal page.
I move pretty fast. You probably won't be able to catch me, but
Yeah.
right.
Charles and Sherry Gordon is spelled out all together, and is the word A-N-D. That's our personal page. You can request us there. We also have our marriage maintenance page, which is Covenant for Life, Couples and Marriage Maintenance. That is a private page, so you have to become our personal page friend before we can put you over to the Covenant for Life page. You can also catch us on YouTube, and that is the Marriage Mechanics, Charles and Sherry Marriage Maintenance. Charles and Sherry Gordon Marriage Maintenance. You can catch us there. And we look forward to, you subscribing and being a part of our YouTube family as well. Yep, maintain it, baby. Maintain it. You better do it, boy. You know what? My husband is a mess, but I love
Happy Valentine's Day.
Blessings to you. Y'all have a great one.
Blessings.
Bye-bye.